Hey guys, welcome back. So there's a snowstorm that's going on, and I just thought about you guys. So I'm on my way to pick up Khaleesi from school. I want to get her before snow start coming down a lot heavier. So yes guys, so I'm gonna give you some views, so come on. So that's what it looks like outside. It is crazy. Heard in some places you can't even see the cars, so I'm grateful that I wasn't snowed in and that I was able to come out and get Khaleesi. It's a bit early, so I hope they bring her down, because I did send them a message that I'm coming. Just trying to get my mask on real quick. Then we're gonna go get Miss Khaleesi. Come along, guys. It is crazy out here. Guys, I had to pull off of my snow boots. Oh shit, it's slippery. So yes, guys. So apparently, because it's snowing, we have to wait in the church to get my Khaleesi. So we're heading there now. Guys, it's so cold. Usually when it's snowing, it's not that cold. I don't know if because it's windy, but hey. Woo. So yeah, so we're basically waiting for her in the church, and we just have to follow protocol. I guess this is best for all of us. So you have the cones to the side. I guess those are 6 feet apart. Each parent would have to wait in the cones. So yeah.
No. Good idea. Mommy got to stay out of the rain, out of the snow.
Hi, Khaleesi. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Yes, but you didn't go outside.
Because it was snowing.
Yes.
Come on, you gotta put your mask on and let's go. Come on. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Come on. How was school today? How was school today?
It was good.
It was good? What did you learn today?
I was not learning.
You was not learning?
No.
What do you mean?
Mr. Zelda's happy. Well, he missed her friends. But I didn't listen.
You didn't listen? That's why you didn't learn. You have to listen. Okay?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So, Khaleesi, it's snowing real hard outside.
Yeah. Well, I like it.
What?
I like it.
You like it?
Wait, see some right there.
Come on, we're going outside.
Okay. Is that right, Mama?
Huh? Put on your app.
Is that right, Mama?
Yeah.
Wait.
We park all the way up to the top, too. Come on. Let's go. Huh? Khaleesi. Come on. Huh? How was your day at school today? Talk to the vlog.
Hi, Vlog.
Say hi.
Hi.
We miss you guys.
Guys.
What did you learn at school today? You gotta talk louder for the guys on the vlog.
I didn't get a sticker.
Why you didn't get a sticker, Khaleesi? Okay, well, when you go back to school, you're gonna listen to Mr. Sow, and then you're gonna participate, and then you're gonna get a sticker. Okay? What do you want to eat? Baba. Okay, we're gonna go home and get you some. All right, guys. So we are heading out. Can't see. I can't see. Okay. Ah? Yes, we're still on the vlog. The vlog is not very nice. The vlog is nice. Why do you say that? Because you're not talking loud. So guys, it's a short vlog today. Nothing much going on other than it's snowing.
It's snowing.
Yes.
Snow outside vlog.
Yes.
Hear me now?
Yes, they're hearing you now. We're gonna something to eat. I still have some work to do.
Yes, Mama.
To end the day.
Yes.
So I hope Miss Khaleesi is on her best behavior.
Yes, but you talk so much. Talk.
Oh, Khaleesi talk all the time. Me talk so loud? I only talk loud when you're not listening to me. Right? Yes, guys. So, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, if you are watching and you haven't subscribed us yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell on so you'll be notified for whenever we upload a video. And tell a friend. And subscribe. Yes, baby. And go watch our videos. Yay!
Bye.
The snow is sticking like crazy. Yeah, it is sticking. I need to get off this road like now. It's gonna get crazy.
Yes, it's good.
Next couple hours.